Okay, at this point, where should I begin? I'm only, I believe, level 7 maybe in this game so far. Path of Exile 2. Everything Blizzard did not do, they did. This game literally is amazing. Like the fact that I have a witch last necromancer, not only can I summon the dead, but I can actually use magic, which is something we were not allowed to use at all in Diablo 4. Um, and this is my only build so far. So I can only imagine when I start making other builds and seeing how things work with those builds and how I can kind of merge abilities or whatever. Blizzard. And you wonder why Diablo 4 is basically a dying game. Well, not dying, it is dead. Learn from this game. Take notes.